there's not many teams that have love and that are a real family and that are really connected and really pull for each other and celebrate each other and really are a family. And that's what they were.
I wanted to show the search committee, one, yeah, I can coach. Two, I can recruit. But most importantly, that nobody was going to have as much energy, enthusiasm, and passion for Eastern Kentucky University than A.W. Hamilton.
Point back, do what I should, man. Point back, do what I could, man. Point back, do what I should, man. Point back, do what I could, man. Point back.
This is Marcus Rigsby. Goes to the baseline. Colonel should foul. Kozar hits the first ever triple-double in Colonel basketball history with his 10th block.
Scramble screens for Tandy. Doubled, picked away by Wendell Green Jr. Leaves it off the glass for King.
Timeouts left for the Owls. Burden turns the corner. And it's blocked by Kozar to tie the school record. He blocked it again. He set the single season record. Here comes Comer. He does! Oh my goodness! Robinson off to Mayo. Can you be a hero again? Mayo drives on McDonald. Fourth shot. Got it! Got it! Mayo!
So for the second time in 3.
Point back, do what I should, man. Point back, do what I could, man.
EKU shines bright at the top of the A-Sun for the first time in 45 years. The Colonels have won a regular season conference championship.